A titration is a method of analysis that will allow you to determine the precise endpoint of a reaction and therefore the precise quantity of reactant in the titration flask. A burette is used to deliver the second reactant to the flask, and an indicator is used to detect the endpoint of the reaction.
Make sure you always wear your goggles. You prime your burette by placing a small amount, 5 to 10 milliliters, in the burette and coating the inside of the burette with the solution. Remove this rinsed solution and repeat the rinse at least once. Begin by preparing your burette. Your burette should be conditioned and filled with titrant solution. You should check for air bubbles and leaks before proceeding with the titration. If you fill your burette above the markings, you can let some of the titrant solution out in order to record your initial volume. When your solution is within the markings, record your initial volume by measuring at the meniscus. Be sure to record to 1 degree of uncertainty. Record your initial volume in your notebook because you will need it to calculate your volume delivered. The solution to be analyzed should be placed in a clean Erlenmeyer flask or beaker. Once this is complete, add your indicator solution. In this case, we used phenolphthalein. Use the burette to deliver a stream of titrant to within a couple milliliters of your expected endpoint. You will see the indicator change color when the titrant hits the solution in the flask, but the color change should disappear upon stirring. You should approach the endpoint slowly in order to get a light pink colored solution. If you go too far, the solution might become dark pink as depicted here. In our next 3 trials, we approached our endpoint more slowly and were able to obtain a light pink color. Placing your solution against a white background can help you to determine if it has really changed color. After this is complete, measure your final volume and record to 1 degree of uncertainty. Record your final volume in your notebook and then take the difference of the 2 volumes to find your volume delivered.
Thanks for watching our titration video. Have a good one.